There's a fish. Is that a smallmouth? On the Whopper Plopper. Stay on there, baby. It is a smallmouth. Or no, I can't tell. Oh, it's a big smallie, guys. Big smallie on the Whopper Plopper. Man, he's digging. Gosh, these guys are so strong. Got him in the net. Whew. Man, that guy crushed the Whopper. Well, actually, he didn't really crush it. He just kind of came up and ate it. Look at that one. There we go, guys. These guys fight so hard in this river. Beautiful smallmouth. Again, it's on the River to Sea Whopper Plopper. 75, the little one. Perfect for these rivers. Get a nice accurate cast. Now I want to see if there's another one in there, because sometimes these fish like to travel in schools. Oh, big one. Another one. Holy crap. We found a smallmouth, guys. Hit it right at the boat. Gotta get my dad down here. God. See, these smallmouth like to travel in schools. That's why if you find one, it's always good to make another cast. God, I think this one's bigger, guys. All right, guys, that's definitely bigger than that last one. That's 2 in a row and like 3 casts, guys. Very pretty fish. Well, that's a big change in pace, guys. Yesterday we were catching tons of largemouth on the northern end, and now we're down here a little further south and catching more smallmouth. There's one. Is that a pike? That's a pike. There he goes. Perfect release. Didn't have to touch him. I'm gonna have to retie this bait. Oh my God. Freaking monster. That's a pike. Damn it, and he took it. You gotta be kidding me. Spit that Whopper Plopper back up. Oh, man. Better shake that. There it is. He spit it up. There it is, guys. Look at that. He spit up my Whopper Plopper and I got it back. Thank goodness. That was the best cast I think I've ever made in my life, and there was a fish in there. It's a big largemouth. I mean, guys, that was the perfect cast. You couldn't have made a better cast. Holy crap, he's gonna break me off if I'm not careful. Oh, now he's barely hooked. I did have him better hooked before. Got him. I mean, that was like the best cast in my life. First largemouth of the day. We fished quite a while without a fish. I mean, we had a smallmouth jump and hit our bait, missed him, missed a big blow up not too long ago, had a pike break off my plopper, got it back. But that's just the third fish of the day. And of course, right around these big trees on the river. And there's quite a few more up here, so let's see if we can get into them here. There's a fish. It's a smallmouth. Big smallie. Get away from that log. Gosh. Oh no, it's a big largemouth. Man, there's this, they fight so hard. They fight like smallmouth. Barely hooked too. In the net. Wow. All right, well, there's our 4th bass of the day. And it's a big largemouth. Man, these fish just fight so hard in this river, guys. They're living current their whole lives. So it's like, you know they got to fight. Jeez, these hooks are bad. All right, guys. Solid 3-pound largemouth, man. Look at the belly. And this big largemouth and another largemouth. Beautiful. Again, on that Whopper Plopper. Thought for sure that was going to be a smallie, man, because usually the largemouth fight lazier, but I guess in this river it don't matter. Big smallmouth. Yes. Holy crap. It's a big smallmouth. There we go. Look at that one. Another big one. It's another nice smallmouth, guys. It's a pike. Did I lose him? Oh, I see him. He's down there on the log. It's a decent sized pike. Okay, there he is. So that's 5 bass and 2 pike now. Dude, I need you to open your mouth. All right, guys, nice little pike. That's a bass, and I lost him. My drag was too loose. What'd I get for not testing my drag? It's a good one too. Damn it. Jesus, there's another one. Come on, man. There's another one in there. Man, they are just missing it. Got him. Man, they're in here. Nice smallmouth. Nice smallmouth. That's what's hitting me over here. He's barely hooked though. God, this is a mess. It's our 6th bass of the day. Come on, dude. Stop. This is where I caught the 2 earlier, guys. They're schooling over here. All right, guys, there he is, number 6. Big smallmouth, 18 plus inches. This is after missing quite a few. There's a whole school of them in here. All right, guys, got my first nice bass on of the day, and I'm pretty sure it's a smallmouth, and he's fighting hard. I Can't get him up. Freaking nailed the crankbait. I don't think he's that big. Oh, it's a largemouth. That's why. I thought that was going to be a smallmouth. Bam, right in the net. Haven't been recording just because I haven't fished this lake before and I've never figured anything out, so it's my first decent fish of the night. But man, look at this bass. Very small mouth on him, but big belly. Decent fish. Get the release. That was on a crankbait. Came right over that rock pile, guys, and there was a bunch of smallmouth sitting on it. Man, this guy feels good. Man, he's staying down. Got him in the net. There we go. There's a rock pile over there, and I just decided to make a random cast, and there was a fish on it. Ah, jeez, I gotta be careful. These guys. Look at that, hook's out. Man, he fought really hard. He's not even that big. He just fought really hard. All right, it's another one on the crankbait. I know where that rock pile is, so we're gonna go back to it, see if we can't get another one off of it.